Obviously, we're in the agricultural business, so it's very important globally just to feed our species. Our main product is the Prowler. That's our largest piece of equipment. A little smaller sprayer is our Mako. That's a 400-gallon sprayer compared to an 1,800 with the Prowler. We also manufacture what we call a Hydro Spray. That's a 500-gallon sprayer that we sit on the back of a Ford F-550 pickup truck chassis. And then our snow equipment line.
Okay, so first of all, we get sales orders from our salesmen, and they come complete with all the options that we make on them. And then we start with the frame that you saw back in the weld area, and we build all the parts for the frame, all the parts that get bolted to the unit, and then we also build all the parts for the options that the customer chooses.
It's very important roles to manufacture agricultural equipment so people can grow food.
It's a family-run business, and it's in the third generation now of family.
So on the third generation, we just surpassed 40 years in business. And GVM actually stands for Gail, Vicky, and Mark. They are the three children of the gentleman that founded the company.
Having seen it put together and out running around in the field doing its job, it's pretty cool. Know that you had a hand in it.
Seeing our products out in the field or even driving down the road, there's a big sense of pride in it, you know.
You're given a toolbox. You all have a toolbox, and as you learn things, it's like adding a different tool to that box. And then when you come up against a problem, you go, okay, I have a tool for that. I can pull that tool out and use it.
Yeah, you do numbers, sizes, using your hands. A lot of stuff is quality control, double checking yourself, making sure you did something correctly the first time.
Everything that we do here is hands-on. Everything was done by human interaction. We have no robots or anything like that that's doing work for us. It's all a team.
The best thing you can do is have an open mind. Don't limit yourself to just, I'm going to work on this and that's all I want to do. Be open and learn what you can. The more you know, the better you're going to be in life.